Ang susunod na programa ay rated SPG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang dahil sa mga sensitibong tema at eksena na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat and welcome to another episode of Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal, where we try to bring general medical conditions po sa inyo. And today is a very special episode dahil itong aking guest ngayon. Resident ko ito, needs no introduction kaya hindi na ako mag-i-introduce pa. So si Dr. Joseph Lee, alam mo si Dr. Joseph Lee, of course he is a celebrity urologist na you're already connected with too many clinics and too many organizations. Hahaba na ito. So
actually, yeah, okay.
'Di ba?
Sige.
So ngayon Dr. Joseph Lee is talagang katuwang ko dito lahat. For how many years already? Dekada rin na rin namin kami magkasama.
You want to count?
Exactly. As a matter of fact, nung isang gabi nga meron kaming reunion na ilang taon na kami magkasama, mga 13, 14 years na rin.
It was so much fun.
Yes, it was.
It was
Kaya
so much fun.
ito, and ang topic natin today, no, Doc, is actually very timely because this is something na hindi napapag-usapan commonly, no, which is sexual anxiety. So para bang, Doc, ano ang ibig sabihin ng sexual anxiety? But bago yan, thank you for joining us uli ngayon. Ikaw ang pinaka-regular guest ko.
Actually, buddy, this is my third time to be here in Agapay. It is my pleasure. It is grateful and honor to always be at your program, to be guest and to talk on topic which is timely
and makakatulong sa maraming tao.
It's not intriguingly unusual for the topic, but these are things that you will have that people in your that are listening to you, are watching your program, to understand that there is such a thing as the topics that we discuss.
Exactly.
Right?
Lalo na ang sexual anxiety kasi hindi ito yung para bang may hiya kasi ang tao to talk about this.
Yes.
Pero just because may hiya ang tao, just because it's nakakailang, doesn't mean it doesn't exist and it is not a problem.
Yes.
Kaya ito sa programa natin ay ipapaabot namin ito sa iyo. Kaya kung mga nahihiya, you don't need to feel embarrassed because we understand and we acknowledge. Tama?
Yes, agree.
Okay.
And when you were asking me a while ago why we chose the topic of sexual anxiety, because it spring in different aspect of an individual, both male and females, which are things that we need to understand later on, not only singularly as a person in a unit like a male individual, and also a female individual. This is also important, buddy, because this is very important with regards to relationship later on.
Yes.
Either it's a young relationship or a generically elderly
Relationship.
or getting old relationship, you have to understand this because sex is a part of the anxiety that will be brought about by later on having complexity with regards to your marriage, your affairs, your relationship, both emotionally, mentally, and physically, and the reproductive aspect
Right,
of that.
right. Okay. So marami talaga siyang sakop, Doc, no? So okay. So para lang sa in a general tone, pagka sinasabi natin sexual anxiety, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito at ano ang sakop nito?
Okay, when you talk about sexual anxiety in its very brief definition, there is distress, there is depression,
Okay.
there is confusion, there is lack of confidence with regards to either physical, emotional, okay, and the performance aspect, the aptitude, and you being yourself as an individual, either it's male or female, it with regards to sexual or self-preservation. When I say self-preservation, we talk about yung self-love.
Self-love. This is
health.
important, no? Doc?
Yes,
Very
they
important.
talk about the generation now. They talk about that, but how do you do that? And how do you express it individually with the partner and as a couple?
I see. So, ibig sabihin, Doc, ang sexual anxiety ay nagbabago depende kung sino ang involved.
Yes.
So, ang ibig sabihin ng sexual anxiety sa isang nilalang is iba to the next. Parang
Yes.
ganun. Depende kung ano ang pinagdadaanan ng tao na yon.
Right. And
Okay.
it we will talk about not because when you put the term, the prefix sex, it's all about the anatomy
Or intercourse. Hindi.
intercourse,
Yeah, yes.
the
act of,
performance,
yeah.
the act of the, no, it has individually the brain, the emotions, the hormones, and everything, and how you deal with it. So
Yes.
it will we will talk about that, and of course we will discuss the 8 categories of sex anxiety
Yes.
that we will carefully decipher and explain to them one
On
by
what
one.
they are. Sige, let's go with number 1.
Okay,
Kasi
number
syempre, we
1.
always start at the very beginning.
Okay.
So, number 1 is...
Number 1 is fear of judgment.
Okay, pagka sinasabi natin fear of judgment, anong ibig sabihin
Ibig
nun?
sabihin, andoon na yung sinasabi natin yung body, yung performance. Performance levels will be a significant for individuals. So, how do you perform? Lagi niya sinasabi, body, ay, magaling ka ba? Hindi ka ba magaling? Do we have to score your performance?
And
It's
itong-
very dreaded, di ba? Sasabihin ng partner mo, oh, you're a failing score. I give you a failing score because
May
you're
mga ganyan eh. Dok, meron mga ganyan, Madi? Meron
ay, baka
talaga?
may iba, may ganyan na.
Oh.
To the point na parang,
Kakatakot naman.
to the point that, buddy, you will ask, did I do well? Why do you have to ask?
Parang kung tutuusin, parang naging midterm exam na siya.
Exactly. You
Doon
pass. O sige, you go to finals. Parang ganun. You were perfect. You were excellent. Why do we have to do that?
Tama.
Kasi that is something that we don't do. Because at the end of the day,
It's an
diba,
experience.
It's experience.
Yes.
Something wonderful.
Yes, okay. Pero pagka sinasabi nating fear of judgment, ano yung kinakatakutan natin na mahusgahan? Ano ba yan? Like, para bang, what encompasses this performance? Is it yung galing sa
Yes.
yung galing sa actual performance? Yung ano ba yun? Yung laki ng mga, I mean, you know, yun,
Kasama na doon, buddy, yung appearance. And
Physical.
yung physical.
Okay.
So, for a male individual, are you masculine enough? Okay naman, siguro, if your partner is so comfortable with that. But what we're talking about is with dealing with the male organ.
Okay. So, doon tayo dyan. Okay, male
oh.
organ tayo.
So,
Okay.
is my male organ appropriate in size? Are you happy with the size? Okay. Do I need to have it enhanced? Diba? We talked about that.
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Or even if you have that average size, it's not performing well, the skill is poor. So you
So,
get
ang
that,
dami.
you get that fear of judgment at the end of the day na people will say, meron ka nga, hindi ka naman marunong. 'Di ba? Sakto lang yung sayo, pero magaling ka. Oh, you're laughing now, but this is look at our cameraman, they're laughing.
Kaya
You
nga
see?
gustong-gusto talaga nila pagka ikaw ang guest eh.
Diba?
Kasi maraming natututunan eh.
So why do you have to deliberately tell it to me? Because for men, especially for Filipino men, that's a pride in itself.
Yes,
Parang
yes.
pinasabi mo na wala akong silbi, pati yung anatomical structure ko.
And ito ngayon, this leads to yung tinatawag natin anxiety. Tama?
Yes, that's where you go to your anxiety. Kasi when you have all those things, pasok na doon sa element na baka yung performance mo later will not be significantly perfectly 100%. Kasi you're looking at your male organ, or she probably is looking at her female organ. Ay, mali. It's not perfect. So at the end of the day, you're performing, and at the back of your mind, consciously, ay, pag hindi ko ginalingan to, wala.
Pero, pagka iniisip mo yan, hindi mo magagalingan dahil nag-aagaw na yung utak. Something that should come naturally. Eh. Hindi na dapat iniisip yan eh.
Yes.
Dapat, di ba, pagka kung mga, as they say, you should be lost in the moment. Eh.
Yes, and it's the fluidity of the performance, 'di ba? 'Di ba? The foreplay, the caressing, after that, the everything. Bang tapos, maganda. Hindi yung parang wait, does it fit? Does it not fit? You do it like this, you do it
Yes.
So
Lahat yun.
Yung anxiety levels mo for fear of yung judgment is, will you perform this? Will you perform this? I like to perform in this way. You have to have these skills. Ang dami. Can you see, buddy?
Yes,
Yung pa lang is our first category puts your sexual anxiety into a much difficulty, and when you do not resolve it,
It causes
ayan na.
anxiety. So in other words, to put it in a nutshell, yun dapat na nag-e-enjoy kayo ngayon is now burdened by so much so much cargo na para bang dapat ganito, dapat ganyan, buti na lang, wag na lang. Parang 'di ba? Para hindi na tayo ma-judge. Okay, let's go to number 2. So yun, we were able to explain that. Ano ang number 2?
Number 2 is fear of vulnerability.
Okay, parang feeling ko this is more emotional.
Yeah,
Ayun.
so this is emotional. So, una, pag kinalabit ko siya, gusto ba niya? Okay lang ba sa kanya? Diba? In the mood siya. Parang baka hindi niya gusto. Ako gusto ko, hindi niya gusto. Oo.
So,
That
pakiramdaman.
Pakiramdaman. Okay, gusto ko sa umaga, okay, I want to do it in the evening. I'm so high-strung. She's tired. I probably babysitting, doing household. Okay, compromise. Can we do it in the morning? Pagdating naman sa morning, body is so tired again. Her emotion, you cannot balance that. Because the emotions are still not up.
Okay. Pero
And becomes very, very volatile at that point.
and it's an emotional baggage. Ganun.
Yes.
Pero
Can you see somebody, you do it and so blank?
yeah. So masasabi ba natin, pwede ba natin sabihin kaya yung mga ibang, anuhin ko na yung mga, kasi stereotype naman ito, kaya yung mga ibang kalalakihan is sinasabi nilang nangangaliwa pwede rin ito, no? Pwede rin. So, kung
that element of moving out and trying to see, because you might be the one who is at fault, or you might be the one who is probably something is wrong with you. That's why she doesn't want to respond. Might be the one that you're saying.
Okay, di ba? Kasi at the end of the day, this is like para bang sexual desire, no, is really id-driven eh. Usually hindi ito napapag-usapan eh. Kasi kung nararamdaman mo, nararamdaman mo, kailangan eh.
And you have to be, lalo na ngayon, we put into our mindset na when you do the sexual performance, it should be relaxed.
Yes.
Now, with all the things that are happening, parang, paano tayo magper-perform, magbabayad tayo ng kuryente, ng tubig, ng everything. So at the back, kasama yan. But I'm not relaxed. Parang ganun.
Okay.
I have pain. I went for an examination.
Or
I cannot tell it to you.
Sinisingil ako ng utang,
Sinisingil
lahat.
ka. So
Okay,
everything is there. Parang you're emotionally imbalanced. So that's the fear of that. So if it prolongs, then you won't really find satisfaction
in
the performance, and the intimacy starts to dwindle.
I see. Ay nako, that's very important because marami lalong-lalo na people who are established couple. So marami pa tayong pag-uusapan pero we need to take a short break. So magbabalik po ang Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal makalipas lamang ng ilang paalala.
Narito na ang schedule ng inyong paboritong Lotso games mula sa Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
Araw-araw ang draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto tuwing alas 2 ng hapon, alas 5 ng hapon at alas 9 ng gabi.
At pagsapit ng alas 9 ng gabi, sasamahan pa yan ng Big Time Games. Tuwing Lunes, magpapapremyo rin ang 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at Grand Lotto 655.
Pagdating ng Martes, magdadala ng panalo ang 6D Lotto, Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658.
Tuwing Miyerkules, umaarangkada ang papremyo ng 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at Grand Lotto 655.
Pagsapit ng Huwebes, tutok na sa 6D Lotto, Lotto 642 at Super Lotto 649.
Mapapanood naman tuwing Biyernes ang pagbola ng winning numbers ng 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at Ultra Lotto 658.
At tuwing Sabado, abangan ang 6D Lotto, Lotto 642 at Grand Lotto 655.
Sigurado namang pasasayahin ang araw ng linggo ng exciting prizes ng Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658.
Sali na dahil baka ikaw na ang susunod na mananalo
At maging Lotto Milyonaryo. Araw-araw, let's play Lotto! Dito lang yan sa DATV at IBC.
You just gotta love Sheila. In a place where few teachers would want to go, a Filipina did. Teaching is in her heart. Physics, her passion. And getting students to love physics, her goal.
Let's build rockets and fly them.
With zero budget, she rallied the community, raised funds, even auctioning goats. So successful was her rocketry program, her physics class gained national attention. Sheila won the coveted U.S. Aerospace Teacher of the Year award. Beyond physics, Sheila taught her class how to think, how to live life, and how to fly like a rocket. Teachers that fly, homegrown in the Philippines.
I am Teacher Sheila, and I am the Philippines.
Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal, and still with my very special guest, Dr. Joseph Lee.
Yes.
And we are enjoying our conversation kasi these are real life problems.
Right.
At saka at least ang maganda dito na papag-usapan natin and our audience can relate to it, di ba? So, okay, we talked, number 1, fear of judgment. Number 2, fear of vulnerability. Ano si number 3 natin? I am
Past
taking note.
trauma. Yeah, it's I see you're taking note.
Because
That's good.
ako rin,
This
I
is
want
new.
to learn. It's
Yeah.
new for me. So,
Yeah.
kailangan matuto din ako. Bakit yung mga viewers ko lang, pati ako. So, past trauma
Past
ito.
trauma. Okay, you have
Okay.
the overt. Yung overt form is the abuse, diba?
Pagka sinabi natin past trauma, anong ibig sabihin nito? Pati yung nangyari sa atin nung bata tayo?
You can have that.
Oo.
Relatives, father abuse, diba? Brother abuse, diba? Mother abuse. Abuse of what? Verbally or physically? Diba? Sasabihin abuse ng ano, ay, ang pangit mo. Wala kang girlfriend in the future. Walang mangyayari sa'yo. Huwag mong pagtiyagaan yan.
Oo
Minsan your son is so, wanting to be pogi. Ay, ano ginagawa mo? Tagal-tagal mo. Wala na nagpabago sa mukha mo.
Alam ko.
You have heard about that?
No. I mean, nangyari yan sa akin.
And you compare, di ba you look good naman, and and some people or people that are close to you keep on comparing you to their fantasy person. Hindi mo makamukha si Brad Pitt. Huwag ka na mag-asam. Huwag ka na mag-ayos.
Naalala ko, no, I was in grade 6. Buti you brought that up. May isang classmate ako, nagsabi sa akin, you're the ugliest guy in class. Talagang sinabihan ako, tapos sinabi nung isang girl,
Ano ba itsura niya?
hindi, tapos sinabi
Hindi
nung,
ba? Ano ba itsura nung nagsabi sa'yo?
hindi ko na maalala, grade 6 ako noon, pero mas popular yun kaysa sa akin, nerd ako eh. So, ang nangyari, tapos sinabi nung isang girl, actually itong, ayoko na sabi niya, hindi, yan pero ibig sabihin na ako na yun second. So, naalala ko yun, syempre bali, later on, baliwala. Pero, naano ko siya.
Yes. It keeps now
Yes, of
telling
course.
you that because of that abuse, of that shame, you will see
You will feel
yourself
ugly.
physically,
You will feel ugly.
pangit ako.
Yeah.
And it goes down to the first one, yung fear of judgment also. So when you make ligaw, you will make effort, maximum effort. Minsan, nagkakaroon ng difference in relationship, sabihin ng yung girl who loves you very much, why you do so effort? I like you naman.
For who
No,
you are.
Because there is the past trauma, sabi. People say that I'm not pogi, I'm not So, alam mo, sobra na. Minsan sabihin ng partner mo, you are fine. Don't do it over. Magiging OA ka na. But you do not know where the guy is coming from or the female is coming from. You get what I mean? So there's that past trauma in it. And of course, the other thing is yung shame and the bullying thing, which is very, very covert for some people, di ba? Kaya minsan tayo, lalo na, I don't know this generation, sabihin, ay, pangit mo, kami ganon, you should act like this, you should wear like this, you have to have lashes, you have to be, what is called that?
ang
Shiny
feeling mo-
skin.
yung glass skin.
Shiny
Glass skin,
skin.
Korean skin.
Korean skin kasi, if not, you are pangit.
So, ang ibig sabihin ngayon, beauty is perceived based on who is stalking. Kung baga,
Yes.
ang feeling mo ngayon bilang tao, may kakulangan ka kasi hindi ka you are not adhering to this sort of standard.
We are,
Ganon.
I think, buddy, we are going more to the external, the aesthetic part. Now, it becomes ingrained to us and the individual. Now, if you will have a companion later on, yung vision ng partner mo will be like that. You should look like this person. Then when we have sexual performance, you should be acting.
Right,
It
right.
becomes
tama.
a
Yes.
anxiety problem later
Right.
on.
Alright.
Because you cannot perform, but the physical and the trauma that you have that has not
nagigising uli.
nagigising ulit.
Totoo.
You revive it.
Totoo, that's very true. I can relate to that. Okay, number 4.
Okay, then you have to have relationship dynamics.
Okay,
diba?
because this is parang very
Yes.
very interesting in a sense. This is an active
Right.
component. When we say
Relationship and dynamics goes to what? Unspoken tension. Okay. 1, religion.
okay.
Ay, sabi, body ha. I'm
Yeah,
conservative, I do that, I do not do that, I do that. Yung partner mo, paano yan? I like you to do this, do this, do this. You know na, we don't have to I cannot. So, paano? So, you argue?
So in other words, kasama ito si compatibility.
So, every time when you have sexual performance, you have to argue what things to do. Can you just talk about it? That's why there is a thing that when we say to remove the sexual anxiety, you communicate. What do you like? What do you want? What makes you happy? What arouses you? If we do it in this space, you feel yuck. When I do it in that space, I'm okay. Kasi there are people who are very explorative, experimental, and very kinky and quirky. All those stuff.
Which is yung para bang being used in the right context is actually a good thing. Because
Yes.
kahit papano, you are para bang offering variety. You
Yes.
are not putting yourself in a can. And makikita mo naman kung kinakailangan siya. Kumbaga ang sinasabi natin, we add variety to our situation.
Yes,
diba? Parang ganon.
Kailangan adequate yan.
Yes,
Pero
tama.
parang okay, kailangan ayos ako. If you want me to play animated, I'm okay with that. It's an understanding.
Yes.
Okay? Next.
Okay.
Number
Number 5.
is the body-mind disconnect.
Body and mind connection.
Okay. So this is very, very baka maraming mag-ano yan. So this one is yung age mo, yung hormones mo, yung medicine mo. Ibig sabihin, why is it? Ito yung mga what do you call that? If you're having a relationship with somebody younger, how do you call that? The May, December type of relationship.
Yung parang you feel
Okay, parang body, okay. You got somebody who's young, na likable, of course. The person who is young, if you perform the sexual performance, alam mo na, if you're 50, medyo ka nang sablay konti.
Siyempre.
So wag yung yung partner mo, wag mag-aasa na Superman ka.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Tama. Yes. Pero, in a way, dahil nagustuhan ka, it also validates na I'm still attractive.
You're attractive,
Oh.
but the sexual anxiety comes in because you need to perform well. You have a 60 years old man and a 20 years old, ano pa to? 20 years old woman.
Yes.
May ED ka na, di ba? Papasok na ED. Di ba? You're taking medicine, you have diabetic and everything. Paano mo yan? Paano mo yan i-connect doon sa partner mo? Ano sasabihin? When you do the performance, it's gonna be funny, I tell you. Ano sasabihin ng partner mo? Ay, honey, nainom mo na yung gamot mo? Baka atakehin ka during the time of Kaya ba? There is embarrassment. You go back to the fear of being judged.
Babalik tayo
babalik ka talaga.
Nandito tayo sa number 5, babalik tayo sa number 1.
Di ba? Yung vulnerability. Please forgive me. I'm old, but I can still perform. How? Di ba? Gusto mo yan ginusto mo yan.
Okay.
Di ba?
And dito lalabas. Kaya ito na ako ang magsasabi. Okay, since nandito tayo, remember, it's not hopeless. After this show, we can get in touch with Doc Joseph. Marami itong pwedeng gawin para hindi na natin Totoo naman totoo.
Yeah.
I mean, because we want to give solutions. I mean, we are talking about problems and problems may be real. But we also want to give people hope na there's an extra step. It's not that easy.
Yes,
pero
yes.
meron solution.
May solution.
May solution dito.
Then we go to the 6, which is
Okay.
connected.
Okay,
The social cultural.
Okay.
You
Pagka
put
sinabi
that.
natin,
Socio-cultural. Ibig
Okay.
sabihin, okay, kailangan ako ganyan. Kasi sabi ng, yung culture dictates, I want to be like this. my family told me to be like this. I cannot act on the manner that you want me because I was born, I was raised, and this is what my culture tells me. Oo. Pag hindi mo na ano yan, na communicate well, buddy, to the person that you are, then the sexual anxiety will come. When I talk about sexual anxiety, it will be the performance itself.
Okay.
So, when you talk about socio-cultural aspect, buddy, lahat ng diniscuss natin, sapok lahat yan. So you go to the fear of being judged, the vulnerability, the past history, baka ginanyang ka rin, and everything.
Ito yung socio-cultural na ito. Sorry kasi uso ang sakit ngayon eh. Although we're a health show.
Na-excite lang ang vocal cords.
Maari. Hindi. Pagka sinabi natin socio-cultural na ito, kasama na dito yung alimbawa, ethnicity, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Like for example, what's common dito in this country, Chinese families would want their sons and daughters to be married to another Chinese. So kung Pilipino na in love yung isang babae sa Pilipinong lalaki, medyo diyan nagkakaroon ng anxiety, socio-cultural anxiety.
At doon pumapasok buddy yung premarital sex problem, live-in, correct?
And even prenuptial.
And prenuptial agreement. You see, everything is
all connected.
all connected. So, if this is not well addressed and the communication is not well established, we will have malaking problem.
Malaking problema dahil eto, kung tutuusin, lahat ng pinag-usapan natin from 1 to 5 involves only the couple or the persons involved. Pagka nandito na tayo sa socio-cultural, kasama dito ang mga magulang, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, lahat-lahat. So, medyo nagiging mas complicated.
Yes.
So, kumbaga that is a different animal on its own. So ayan, so meron pa tayong dalawa at pag-uusapan natin yung last two sa ating last body ng Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal. So don't go away, we will be right back with this very interesting topic.
Mabuhay Pilipinas and hello world! This is Tracy Perez, and if you're looking for that one sign to bet on yourself and change your life, then look no more! Kami na po dito sa PCSO Lottery Draw ang bahala sa inyo. Nandito po kami araw-araw, yes, you heard that right, every single day, walang palya po kaming magpapasaya sa bawat Pilipino. So catch us live on IBC 13, D8TV, and on our official social media channels. That's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. Sama-sama tayong mangangarap, sama-sama tayong magtatagumpay. See you there, mga kalaro!
If coffee is your religion, Italy is where your gods live. Here, we honor the barista, not the coffee machine. Because coffee is like life. It's all about how you make it. When your barista is the best, you can taste love in every cup. Our barista is the best. Bravo, Filipino.
I am DJ, I am the Philippines.
Hi, ako po si Fiona
Magicale, inaanyayahan ko po kayong manood ng D8 Patrol tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 5:30 ng hapon hanggang alas 6 ng gabi. Tampok ang mga malalaki at pinakamainit na balita sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Lahat ng pangyayari ihatid sa inyo na may malinaw na impormasyon. Dito lamang yan sa D8 Patrol.
Okay, welcome back to Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal and on our final body, and it's still a very interesting topic. And you know what? Maganda ang pinag-uusapan natin kasi kung alimbawa we can transcend all of these 8 factors, we will have a very healthy sexual life. And that's very important.
Agree.
Diba? Kasi eto yung mga factors, whether we like to admit it or not, this is what keeps couples together for the long haul. Diba?
Yes.
We have kasi kung baga sa isang bahay, kailangan natin ng coffee table, sala set, dining table, di ba? All of these things kasi, hindi naman, they don't compete with each other. We have different uses for them. Same with our relationships, di ba?
Yeah,
So,
I agree.
hindi tayo dapat nakafocus sa isang bagay lang. Kung hindi, tingnan natin ang kabuuan.
Yes,
And holistic. And speaking of holistic, saan na tayo? Number 7 is...
Number 7 is actually it's almost a combination of everything, no? Your number 7 now is your anxious avoidance loop. When you say anxious avoidance loop is you try to avoid all this anxiousness and to avoid rejection.
Okay.
Meaning, lagi mo sasabihin, buddy, ay wala yan. I'm fine, I'm okay.
But you're
Nothing
not.
is wrong with me. Physically, I'm okay. Who's telling me? I can manage all the bullying, all the trauma, but at the end of the day,
You're affected.
you're affected.
And in a really deep way.
In a deep way, in the inner core, which is so dreaded, like it's becoming a mental disease already.
Yeah.
That is where the true form of your sexual anxiety comes about. Parang you're already your sexual anxiety has been nurtured so much, nagmature na.
I see. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. So it
And
becomes
this is
very complicated.
And this is very terrible because this already will affect your personal interrelationship
With other
your
people.
other people and your future partners or your future correlation. You will always drop that and defend yourself. Kahit na meaning the other one is seeing something wrong with you, you will always say, no, nothing's wrong.
So marami palang psychological angles ito, no?
Yes.
Denial is another one. I'm
Yes.
sure it comes
Exactly.
with this.
There was a time that you were discussing about mental health, and this is part of one of the division of mental health, which is sexual anxiety. Diba?
So it goes together also.
It goes together.
Ang mga topics natin is all tied in together because for me, in my own honest opinion, I believe that health is holistic Hindi lang katawan, kailangan na in spirit, in emotion, in mental.
You should be we call that divinely clear. When you say parang wala, okay. And when you put in love and the sexual aspect of it becomes equal, pleasurable.
Okay.
You do that, love.
Okay, meron akong i-bring up, no? Hindi ko alam kung ang mga ibang tao ay naiisip din ito. Kasi, di ba, pag-usapan na lang natin ito, since no holds barred naman tayo and not censored, pag-usapan natin yung term, no? Yung word na libog. Usually, ang iniisip ng mga tao, ang libog is physical. Di ba? Yung physical na kung anong itsura, kung ano ang doon sila na-excite.
Even uttering it makes, for some people, say bastos.
Oh, bastos. Pero,
And when you repeat it, becomes bastos-bastos mo.
oo. Pero, sexual, how would you say this? Yung libog in English, no? Actually, libido starts in the mind.
Yes, that's
Diba?
our hormones.
Yun ang importante. Kasi kailangan meron ka ng sitwasyon sa utak mo bago mo pa yan i-carry out physically.
Actually, you are correct, buddy, because that will be the last element of your sexual fear, which is existential fear.
Which is number 8.
Number 8.
Nagaling-galing ko talaga.
Galing-galing mo talaga. Like. So that it comes in wherein your orgasm is already scaled and measured. Your libido is already tested. Diba? So
Yes.
there is already a balance of the human form with regards to how is it affect you, because all of this is emotion. There is emotion involved, no? It's not physical. We have to remember to your audience that the sex aspect is not only performance. There should have a very good emotional innuendo so that you will have pleasure.
Right.
Because sex should, at the end of the equation, should have pleasure
Because
and
that's
satisfaction.
Exactly.
Diba?
Because yun ang magiging end point na that it becomes healthy para ulitin uli. Tama?
Diba?
Pero kasi kung hindi siya pleasurable, kung naging unpleasant siya, kung naging painful siya, chances are hindi mo na uulitin.
Yes.
No? Tama?
Yes. So when we discuss the 8 categories, you would know, buddy, that they go around and loops around.
Yes.
Diba?
They're all interconnected to
They're
each other.
interconnected to each other, which is at the end of the day, when you see the anxiousness cannot be avoided. Diba? So it just goes to loop. And if you are, sabihin nila, you are a strong person, but you cannot escape. Because at the back of your mind, there's still some unmanaged
And unresolved.
unresolved things that will cause you anxiety.
I see. Okay. So marami yan. So at this point, buddy, ni Doc Joseph naman, I will give you this time, no? Because marami akong natutunan, and I think yung parabang this is also one way where we can understand humanity more dito sa pinag-usapan natin na ito. Remember, let us not, lalong-lalo na for me, let us not judge dahil hindi natin alam kung ano ang pinagdadaanan ng isang tao.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Hindi
I like
natin
that.
alam
Oo,
yun.
hindi mo alam.
You cannot go into a room and judge somebody who is looking sad or para bang wala sa sarili kasi hindi mo nga alam kung itong tao na ito may pinagdadaanan.
Exactly.
And it could be anything. It could be health, it could be marital, it could be financial. So, let's be kind. Let's be respectful, no? So, itong pinag-usapan natin, actually, although on an angle of sexual anxiety, pwede rin naman natin i-apply ito sa lahat ng mga aspeto because it's understanding yung psychological makeup of a person, di ba?
And all of this, buddy, creates later on to the aspect of medical wherein when you talk about erection, you have already problems with erection, you might end up having already progressive ED. When you say progressive, you will say, as early as my age, why am I experience partial erection? Diba? So, ganun na yun. Then, why am I having premature ejaculation? It all springs to this, diba? Why am I not having much of the orgasm and the libido? Because of this.
Right. At least.
Why do I don't like to perform when he or she is at my side?
So, kumbaga, you have this as a checklist, di ba?
Checklist
Okay.
mo yan.
So, ngayon, buddy, let's give final messages to our viewers or anybody who is experiencing this, whether 1, 2, 3, or a combination of all, because it's possible
Yeah,
to be
pwede
in a
ka na
combination
mag-ano.
of.
Actually, it's nice that Buddy, we discuss about sexual anxiety. Actually, it's a rarity that we discuss this, or I think this is new.
Yes, this is
And I think we're
bago ito
discussing
lahat. Yes.
And this is very important, especially for the generations to come, because I think the generations that we have now, that we are mingling, are all on digital and online. So
Yes.
they get all their information there. But of course, we have to look into the aspect of the organic mental. When you say organic mental, the brain, the heart, and the hormones that we have. It includes the endorphins, the testosterone, and the estrogens that we have. So that makes your life or your sex in the end becomes meaningful, diba? So if ever you will have any of this experience, okay, so where do you go? That's number one, okay? You can either go to a psychologist, psychiatrist, or sex therapist. We have sex therapists.
Yes.
Or even call your friendly urologist for other aspect of the genitalia.
Kasi we have a lot of the good thing about it is maraming bagong teknolohiya para makatulong dito. So kumbaga kung your treatment plan need not only be psychological, you can see a psychiatrist and you can also see a urologist, and a combination of all, because yung para bang these things can actually be addressed. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
And at the end of the day, we try to address it before it becomes too late, because the major effect of this, you can have suicide.
Okay, yun. You can actually end your life.
End your life without
because feeling mo wala ka ng silbi.
Yeah,
diba?
everybody's like putting one to you. What is the term? Parang
Yeah, yung para bang putting you down.
Putting you down.
And then yung para bang you will feel so useless that parang you have no more contribution in society.
Yes.
That is anxiety in itself. Okay, so Adi, thank you very, very much.
Thank
for
you
this.
also. I'm very glad that we talked about this.
Okay, and now for further and more personal questions, where can they reach you for certain things na mas gusto nilang pag-usapan na siguro hindi na dito sa ating set?
Okay, Buddy, syempre, my absolutely fabulous architect who builds the Rejuvenative and Male Wellness Aesthetic Center. You can visit it in Biñan, Laguna. But you can also see me in Quezon City and the Kamanava areas. So you just look into my Facebook page, Dr. Joseph Lee and Joseph Lee. There are two in here. So you can find me there. Or if they find difficulty, just PM you.
Yes, me or any of the networks that you are connected with, di ba? DATV, IBC13, pwede natin to get in touch with them. We are one family naman kung tutuusin.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you very much. Dr. Joseph Lee, the country's best urologist in my... Hindi, totoo yan because what I really appreciate about you is you did not just concentrate on the usual, sinasabi nila urologist is urinary tract infection or
because you know that na.
Yeah, because we have evolved into many things in urology. So, dahil doon, nakakatulong tayo ng mas maraming tao. And doon naman talaga ang focus natin. The more people we are able to help, the more we are able to contribute to society.
And to let them understand.
Yes, at saka remember, sa akin naman, iilan lang naman ang taon natin para mabuhay. Yung malaki doon, nag-aaral tayo. Yung malaki din doon, senior na tayo. So yung prime natin is only a number of years. Let's make the most out of our prime. Let's make the most out of our prime. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, Dr. Joseph Lee, nagpapaalam na po. Sa ngalan ni Rosa Rosal, ako po si William Theo. Join me again next week on another episode of Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal.